There's a widespread shortage right now of respiratory therapists here in Indiana. IU health experts say after COVID, the number of therapists dropped. Our Ella Rhodes shows us how IU Health is now working with college students to close the gap.
Dalin Hatch didn't expect he'd walk the halls of a hospital for his career.
Just breathe in deep for me.
You can find the soon-to-be college grad already working as a respiratory therapist at Riley Hospital for Children.
I just went to the hospital a lot of times for asthma attacks. Working with respiratory therapists, just knew I had somebody helping me, but I never knew what it really was.
Doctors diagnosed Hatch with asthma at a young age. Years later, it led him back.
It really was learning about myself and helping other people that really inspired me to do respiratory therapy. I got into respiratory therapy thinking it was only going to be about asthma or mainly, but I mean, we deal with such a wide variety of things.
From breathing treatments for ventilated patients, newborns, and any patient in between, to suggestions for doctors, monitoring labs and x-rays, and
do one puff, look for 6 of those flaps moving, and then we do another puff.
Education for patients and their families. There's a high demand for people like Hatch, Beth Summit with IU Health says.
We're not filling all of our seats in the state of Indiana.
IU Health says the country expects respiratory therapist jobs to grow 12% by 2034.
We probably have anywhere between 10 to 40% vacancy in all of our departments across Indiana. So this is outside of just IU Health. And so that's the current vacancy. And so then when we look to the future and we know that we're going to need more respiratory therapists, whether it's 10 or 20% or 30% more in the next 10 to 15 to 20 years, we're concerned.
It's why IU Health advocated to expand students' clinical experience.
I'm just going to listen to your lungs again.
So students like Hatch can have the opportunity to treat kids.
And so it's always going to be close to heart. It taught me a lot about myself and my disease process more and how to manage my life and have better health more than anything, but also helping other people try to do the same thing.
One breath at a time. In Indianapolis, Ella Rhodes, 13 News.
And after Hatch graduates next month, he will continue working at Riley Hospital for Children.